you explain to everybody like what Roof Maxx is, what the product is, how you came up with it, and what it does?
Real simple. Asphalt has oils, petrochemical oil, that allows it to be waterproof and flexible. For the same reason you get a pothole on the road, that's why you replace a roof. It becomes brittle, the granules start to shed off, they crack, they blow off in the wind, you replace them. So Roof Maxx is a bio oil, and it penetrates down into the shingle and reflexibilizes the asphalt. Early on, we had testing from Ohio State University, and for 17-year-old 3-tab shingles, and in Columbus, Ohio, a 3-tab shingle, 14, 15 years in, it's pretty much past its expected life. Or well, not expected life, they call them 25, but at 10 to 12 years, they're really starting to become pretty crispy. And we took a 17-year-old shingle, sent in treated and untreated samples to PRI testing labs in Tampa, Florida. That's who does all of the major manufacturers. So only a couple testing labs for the ASTM testing. And we passed the same flexibility testing that's required for a brand new roof.